I'm going to show you how to search for replacement parts for your broken pocket watch. And this is the method I use. Now the first thing I do is I find that movement serial number that's on the back of the watch. That's a serial number that the manufacturer has stamped on it. All the pocket watches have that on the back of their movement. And then I take note, this is an Elgin pocket watch. Then I go on my computer and I pull up pocketwatchdatabase.com and I enter in the manufacturer serial number and also the manufacturer of the pocket watch I'm looking for. Now this database is only for American antique pocket watches. It'll give you the value, the information, and also specifications of your pocket watch. So now I've pulled up the information for the pocket watch that I'm working on. It's the Elgin. It's a grade 81 and it's a model number 1. So I have that information. Now I can start looking for my parts. The parts I need to replace on this watch is a mainspring and a balance staff. I use this catalog here. It's a reprint of an original one, and you can still find this catalog on the internet and on eBay. Well, this catalog lists all the parts from the major pocket watch manufacturers from the 1800s to the 1950s. Well, when I use this catalog, I'm looking for an Elgin size 18 pocket watch. So it's on page 7, so I go to that page. So I turn to that page in the book, and there it is, 18 size Elgin first model, and that's the information that I got from the pocket watch database. And it even has an illustration of what the pocket watch movement looks like. So it has illustrations of all the parts to that pocket watch. So the first part I'm going to be looking for is the mainspring. So I turn to this page that's right next to the illustration and look down the listing and find mainspring. And it has the part number next to it, 812. Then I look at the diagram, the illustration, and sure enough there's 812. Well, I take that part number and then I go on eBay and search for the Elgin 812 mainspring and place my order. Now the next part that I need is a balance staff. So I go to that page again and go down to the balance staff, and the part number is 857. So here's the illustration of that balance staff in the book. I put my order in on eBay, I get my balance staff. Now I have my parts and I'm ready to repair that watch. Now this book has really helped me out a lot. It's a time saver. I really recommend you trying to find this book if you can. It's well worth the money spent, and it's not very expensive. And I would get it while you can, because you never know when they're going to run out of the supply of them.